Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the Atelier Room here at Bridge Classic Cars. Now, I am not alone this evening. We have a lovely studio audience here this evening. Yes, hello, everybody. So we have here people here tonight because it is our mini madness evening tonight. So, to kick our evening off. Oh, but first, actually, there are still some tickets available on our beautiful car that is going to be won tonight, our 1979 Austin Morris Mini 850. So, if you have quick fingers, you can jump on the competition's website and grab your last-minute tickets now. But, for starters, Annika Rand is going to kick us off with some wonderful music. Can we give her a hand, ladies and gentlemen?
Thank you. Right, okay, well, staying on the British theme, as we are all things mini, tonight, I'm going to do a little number from Petula Clark. We're going to do some Downtown. Sing along if you want to, everybody. When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. When you've got worries, all the noise and the hurry seem to help, I know. Downtown, just listen to the music of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon signs are pretty. How can you lose? The lights are much brighter there. You can't forget all your troubles, forget all your cares and go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. Don't wait a minute more. Downtown, everything's waiting for you. Downtown. Don't hang around and let your problems surround you. There are movie shows downtown. Maybe you know some little places to go where they never close. Downtown, just listen to the rhythm of the gentle bossa nova. You'll be dancing with them too before the night is over. Happy again. The lights are much brighter there. You can't forget all your troubles, forget all your cares and go downtown, where all the lights are bright. Downtown, waiting for you tonight. Downtown, you're gonna be alright now. Downtown, downtown, downtown. Woo! Downtown. Downtown. And maybe you will find someone to help and understand you. Someone who is just like you and needs a helping hand to guide them along. So maybe I'll see you there. You can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares and go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. Don't wait a minute more. Downtown, everything's waiting for you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen, the amazing Annika Rands. Isn't she fabulous? So tonight, if you are joining us, you are here for the live draw of our stunning Austin Morris Mini. Now, if you're in the building this evening, who has tickets for this car? Put your hands up. Ooh, quite a lot of people. Could this be the first evening where we actually have the winner live in the building? I really hope so. I really hope so. It'll be so exciting. So, I'm not actually quite sure how many tickets we have left on this car. Do we know, Craig?
There's about 200, I think.
About 200. So it might not quite be a sellout. We will see. Now, shall we have a little closer look at this car? What I'm going to do now, if you haven't bought a ticket yet, I'm going to see if I can entice you with a little video. Take a look at this. Hi, I'm Molly from Bridge Classic Cars, and this is your chance to win our 1979 Austin Morris Mini 850.
Classic Minis are icons of the classic car world. They are always very popular competition cars. Our Austin Morris Mini has been repainted in the Bridge Classic Cars paint shop, finished in this beautiful white with a brown interior. It has been part of the local Mini Owners Club and will certainly make the lucky winner very happy. To find out more and to enter the draw, head to the Bridge Classic Cars competition's website. Good luck!
So there we have it. There was a closer look of this stunning, stunning Mini. Now, I've just heard on the comments that someone's friend Keith has spotted his friend Alistair in the building. Is Alistair around? He might be hiding. Well, Alistair, if you are here, your friend Keith said he's seen you, which is very exciting. So this is our absolutely stunning Mini. Now, I think my favourite part about this Mini is the gorgeous headlights on the front. They are just stunning. Who likes those? That little feature? Yeah? I like the little feature. And I really, really like the paintwork that has been done by our team here at Bridge Classic Cars. The white contrast against the really gorgeous brown interior.
I was going to say the interior is my favourite.
It's just so lovely. It really, really is. Now, I think this has been quite a popular Mini, hasn't it?
It's been pretty popular, yeah. Like you say, there's still a few hundred tickets left, so...
There's about 240 left.
240.
240. So you've got about 5 minutes left to get tickets?
Yep.
5 minutes left?
4 minutes left, 240 tickets, so it's not going to sell out, I wouldn't have thought.
Not going to sell out this evening. But that's okay, because that could actually make your chances greater. Better odds, I guess. Better odds, I guess. Now, this car is a special one for me, I think. I don't know, I just absolutely love a Mini.
Do you?
I really, really do.
Did you like them before you started with us?
Yes.
Did you?
Yeah,
Okay.
I did. I did, but I think getting to see all this array of gorgeous classics, I still think they're my favourite. Do you know what I'd absolutely love us to have?
What?
A Fiat 500, but one of the really
The
early
old
ones.
Yeah.
What do you guys think about that? Yeah? 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 Maybe? 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 Well, we'll see. We'll see. What about you guys at home? What would you like to see? Now, there is an absolute jam-packed room here full of competition cars. These cars are all going to be competition cars.
Literally every single one,
Literally
isn't
every
it?
single one. Literally every single one. We're shooting some tomorrow. We're shooting this one tomorrow, which is very cute indeed. I like that one very much.
Have a look at the roof of that. That's quite interesting because that's
It's really cool.
mixed feelings on the roof.
Really?
Yeah.
I like it. I
Yeah.
think it's so quirky.
Yeah, a lot of people, when I bought the car, a lot of people said, are you going to change the colour of the roof? I don't think I am. I like it. I think it's great.
I like it too. What do you guys think in here? Yay or nay to the roof? Thumbs up for yay. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yes. What do you guys think at home? Let us know. Let us know. I really like it.
Talk of colour change, though. Is it worth jumping
yes,
over?
yes, 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 yes. So we've got our 1969 Morgan here. Now, we did a little poll earlier in the week as to whether you guys at home wanted us to keep the wheels red or silver. Now, you have decided that you would prefer it silver. So do you know what we're going to do, guys? We're going to make that happen. They're going to be sent off and we're going to spray them silver because you guys at home have decided that is something that you would like. Now, I have something very, very exciting to tell you guys. So I'm going to show you a little video now about a Jaguar E-Type. Now, talking about you guys at home knowing what you would like to do with the car, this is something very exciting that's coming up very, very soon. So take a look at this video.
So behind me we have a really exciting car. This is our 1968 Jaguar E-Type Series 1.5 and it will be given away as a competition car. But as you can see, it's a restoration project and the exciting thing is you guys are going to be involved in the restoration. A lot of the decisions are going to be made by yourselves and then come August of this year this car will be given away to somebody. So a little bit of a story about this car is it belonged to a local businessman, a very successful businessman. He purchased this car alongside his father at the time, and it was going to be a restoration project. And due to how long it was taking, and he was going to do it with his father, just sort of time ran away with them both. His dad wasn't getting any younger, so they made the decision together to hand this car over to a restoration company to finish off. And like we hear so many times before, they'd never finish it off. It sits there in the corner for years and it just never gets done. So Neil contacted us and said, would we be interested in taking the car on? So when we were told about the car, it was painted, all of the bodywork had been done, the engine has been completely refurbished already, and all of the running gear has been done. But the car's come into us now. We were thinking it wasn't going to need painting, but it isn't really quite done to our standards. So the first part of this project is now going to be stripping the car back to nothing and starting the painting again. And then, even though the engine's been done and the running gear's been done, we'll reevaluate that to see if that needs to be done as well. But this is going to be a competition car, so someone is going to win this. Ever since we started competitions, obviously everybody knows British Classic Cars as being a restoration company, and a lot of people say, do we restore the cars? Can we get the cars restored? So we've made the decision that this E-Type is going to be restored exactly to what you guys want it to be. So along the journey we will ask questions of what you want to see. As you can see now, it's going to be painted in azure blue, which is very similar to what it is now, but the interior still needs to be done. The chrome work we're sending away now to have done. So along the way you're going to make some decisions as to how you want this car to end up. We haven't got a lot of time to complete this car because the car is going to be given away on the 6th of August. We've got a big presence at the Helmingham Hall Festival of Classic and Sports Cars, and on the day this car will find a new home.
Thank you. So, that was a little video of our Jaguar E-Type. Now I'm going to let Craig talk to you a little bit more about this because it is very exciting indeed.
So just like we did with the Morgan, we basically asked you what you prefer with the wheels. We're going to do a very similar thing with the E-Type. For a long time, obviously, we're known as a restoration company, so people have said, do we restore the cars? We tend not to, in all honesty. We tend to get the cars in looking as nice as they do, to the exception of like the Mini where we've painted it and we've done a few things like that. But the E-Type is where we've got a restoration project in, and we're going to ask you along the way what you want to see on certain points of it, and you can decide, and then we'll do it, and it's going to be given away at Helmingham Hall, like I said in the video just now. So that's in August, isn't it?
And that's always such a lovely car show.
Brilliant.
Yeah, the weather's beautiful, it's always jam-packed full of people. I think we gave away a MG Roadster at the last one.
We did.
Yeah,
we did.
And that was so much fun, so it's going to be really cool. So you guys can come along again to the live draw and see the car you guys have created.
And we haven't got a lot of time between now and then to actually finish this project, so we're going to be coming along, we're going to be saying what colour interior do you want, what wheels do you want, all that sort of thing. So yeah, get involved, interact, and it's your choice of car basically. It's pretty exciting.
Very exciting. So everyone, if you are here with us this evening, you are here for the live draw of our Mini 850. Now, I think that it's now closed. It's now closed, so there is no longer time for you to grab your tickets. Did you say the entry list was ready or not quite yet? The entry list is ready. So shall we do it, everybody? Shall we do the live draw? Oh my goodness me, very, very exciting indeed. So as always, everyone at home, please do let me know that you can see everything nice and clearly. Oh, here it is, entry list. So I'm going to go to my random number generator. It's all at 0 to start with. Now, I'm going to do a test run, so I'm going to do it higher than the amount of tickets. Now, I know that the tickets, let's just double check it to make sure. I think there is 4,999 tickets.
There is.
Oh, there is. I've been confirmed. But I will just double check it so you can all see it at home as well. Yeah, 4,999. Perfect. Now, this wasn't a sellout, so if we do pick a number that hasn't got a name attached to it, we will roll again. So I'm going to do 5,000 for a practice run to 6,000. Now this is just a practice for you to say that you can see it nice and clearly, everybody. Okay, practice run. And we have a number there. Are we getting any feedback to say that we can see it?
Not yet, so if you can let us know at home that you can see it clearly, that would be really handy. There is a delay of about 20 seconds from me asking this question to getting responses back, so...
Okie dokie. I'll put it all back to 0. There we go. And I'll go back to the entry list. Amazing. I'll put it to the top. Now, everyone, if you were interested in being the first to know about our competitions that are coming up, then jump onto our mailing list. So go to the website, go to the bottom, click subscribe, because then you'll be the first to know about everything that's coming up. And also, you might be the first to know to get some launch discount prices as well. So it's always better just to jump on it and see if there's anything that interests you.
Absolutely. So yes, we're getting some clears through. Richard is saying clear. Donald, Caroline, it seems like it's clear at home, so that's good.
Amazing. So I think we should do it. So if you want to gather around, everybody, get a bit closer. That's it. Come and join me. So I'm going to start with the number 1. And the end number is 4999. Right. Can we have a drum roll, please? Come on, everybody. Thank you. And to count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. Number 4,027. 4,027. This is the lucky number. Let's have a look. Ooh, going right to the bottom. Ooh, up a bit.
Close.
And there is a number. Anthony Wardley. Anthony Wardley. Let me just zoom in. Are you in the building?
No.
Oh no, I'll move down. Oh, I've gone too far. Oh no, where are we? There you are, Anthony Wardley. You are now, the proud owner of our absolutely stunning Morris Mini. Over here. Here it is. Congratulations! Can we give him a clap, everybody? Anthony, this is your car. There we go. Now, if this isn't your bag, or you unfortunately missed out on this one, we do have another competition car. We have this absolutely stunning 1987 Porsche 298 Series 4. What do you think about it in the room, everyone? Do you like it? Yeah? It's all right. I really like it. I really like the way the lights go. Whoop. I mean, they don't actually make that noise, but I just imagine it every time I see it. They go whoop, which is a lot of fun. Now, this is live on our competition website right now for, I believe, £8.
That's correct,
yes.
£8. Don't know why I doubted myself then. And this is amazing. So it's a 5-litre V8, this one. So it does have a bit of welly behind it. And I just love the look at it, the sleekness of it. These back windows are just stunning. Now, we're going to wait and see if we can get Anthony's number to give him a little phone call to tell him the exciting news.
It's worth having a look at the modern one as well. We don't tend not to do many moderns, but this is
Oh,
now
yes.
come in.
So this is going to be a competition car, and we are actually filming this car tomorrow. Yes. A Mustang.
It is a special car, this. It's really, really nice.
And I'm really hoping that the weather's good so that I can drive it.
I don't think you're in much luck, to be honest with you. It's looking rather rotten so far.
Because if the weather's good, I get to drive this amazing car. If not, I'm out of luck. Oh, have we got the number?
Yep.
We have the number. Let's give him a call. Let's go stand by his car. Ready, let's give Anthony a call. It's gone straight to answer phone.
Oh, no.
Oh, straight to answer phone. But Anthony, are you watching along? If you are, let us know. No? Okay. Well, what I'm going to do then, guys, is I would love to show you a little video of our stunning Porsche. So take a look at this.
Hi, I'm Molly from Bridge Classic Cars, and I'm here to tell you how you can win our 1987 Porsche 928 Series 4. The power, the acceleration and the roar of the V8 when your foot presses down on the pedal will be a constant reminder that you are behind the wheel of a very popular luxury Grand Tourer. Finished in Grand Prix white with a complimentary black leather interior, this 5-litre V8 powered Porsche can produce around 320 brake horsepower. After arriving at the Bridge Classic Cars workshop, we have refitted the original wheels as well as repairing the parcel shelf. Featuring a smooth automatic transmission and eye-catching AT styling, our 928 will make a comfortable daily driver or a fun weekend cruiser. For more information and to enter the draw, head over to the Bridge Classic Cars competition's website. Good luck!
That was our Porsche. And if you are interested in that, it's live on the Bridge Classic Cars competition's website now. But thank you so much to everybody who came this evening, thank you, and to everyone who brought their minis along as well. And congratulations to Anthony. And from me and all of the team here at Bridge Classic Cars, we will see you very soon. Good night.